Hi, my name is Meg Tots, and I'm an interior designer. If you live in a small space, finding storage can be a real challenge. But with a few clever ideas, you can find extra space for all those little items. These clear, decorative vases are a stylish solution for just about any space. Whether you're looking for a storage option for those everyday bath items, a clever way to store your kids' snacks, or even just another way to contain all the food that seems to pile up after you go to the grocery store, these are a great option. Now, these unfinished wood boxes are available at just about any craft store for less than $10. And with a little bit of DIY work, you can transform them into a great entryway piece that's great for storing your keys and all those little knickknacks that tend to pile up by the door. A muffin pan may seem like a kitchen item, but it's an efficient way to store all those little knickknacks in your office. Just pop it in your drawer and everything you need is within arm's reach. So the next time you're looking for clever storage solutions for your home, think outside the box.